Good morning. Good morning, all my viewers. Today, here again, I am with a fresh episode of a new guest coming over to Anita's talk show. And we are privileged and very thrilled to have this guest of ours once again in this episode 2 with Dr. Seema Malik, Ayurvedic consultant in spine and skin, and she's a specialist in it. The way the body transmits a sign to the brain that something is wrong. So now, as it is a pain, so we don't want anybody in pain. So here, Dr. Seema is there.
Yeah, good morning, Anita. Namaste. Namaste for all the viewers. Thank you for calling me into this show. It's again experience of 18 years in my industry, Ayurvedic consultant. So I'm specially into spine and knee and also skin diseases. I've been practicing Marma Chikitsa and cupping therapy from past 18 to 20 years, and we have seen a lot of cases. And there is much I want to share with my viewers. Thank you for calling me to share my experience.
And thank you so much for taking out your precious time for our show today. And now, coming up with the important questions, which usually the patients and those who are suffering with pains, and the most common, which I have seen, that it is knee pain. Because I see people limping around, and as soon as they enter their 40s and 50s, and they get into trouble. So, main causes that our audience should understand also.
That's actually very true. Most of the people after they enter the 40s or earlys also I'm seeing. Generally, I want to tell knee pain like because of some injuries, sports injuries. So if you are like very still
Mm.
job, if you are like then also the knee pains will
Sitting,
cause. And
sitting
yeah,
job.
sitting
Mm.
for a long time, the knee pain.
Yeah.
Because if you are there are two things very generally I'll tell you overuse and underuse that will
Hmm.
also cause knee pain. Early knee pain is what I'm telling, not after the 50s and 60s. So there in 50s and 60s it may be as the age goes, it may be because of the degenerative, the degeneration of the knee cartilage and everything that matters there, that is called osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis will be having. So if you should see at what age you're getting, then you can understand why your knee pain is started. So we'll go in deeper as the things goes. But mainly I will say is one is age related. Other is if you're underusing, you're not nourishing, if your nutrition is low, and if you're
Oh,
not doing any kind of exercise, your knee pains will start very
oh,
early. Children also have knee
okay.
pain that is called growing pain. So when there
Oh,
is a growth, the knees will expand. They'll have because of the knee pain will come because of that, and also because of the non-nourishment. If they are not giving proper food and everything, then also they'll tell, "I have knee pain, Mama. I have this pain." They'll have those things. So in the
yeah.
children also you see knee pains.
People go for surgery. I've heard people saying that it's very painful and it's unbearable sort of thing. Na? So this kind people rush to the surgery part. So there's a question from one of my audience that how does Ayurveda approach the treatment of knee pain?
Yeah. See, as I'm saying, Ayurveda is very specific for individual. So Ayurveda, what we see, we don't see everybody as a general. So we see what doshas, what age, everything related, and what is the root cause for the knee pain. Because Ayurveda believe in curing the root cause. It is not only pain relief. It is also we should see that what is making them pain, why is the knee pain is happening in the first instance. Next is like what is the remedy and how they should balance it. As you're
Okay.
talking to surgery, see, surgery, I cannot say, we don't recommend also in the early stages. It is only in the chronic stages. People like, if it is not curable, that time they may go with that because if there is no movements and there is a third grade I'm talking about. But initially, when you're into, you have started your knee pain. So first, as in Ayurveda, what we say is, what is your doshas? What is causing your knee pain? So I'll tell you,
Mm.
as I'm saying, your health depends upon your joints. How flexible you kept your joints, how nourishment you're giving, How stretches means good stretches is very much needed for your joints. Either it's your knee or your elbows, hands, everything. So let's find
Right.
out why you are getting knee pain. That is very important. Ayurveda has a very, very, very beautiful, and we have a lot of success rates in knee pain. We have Panchakarma, we have Marma Chikitsa. So we have number of cases who have cured without going for surgeries.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yes.
The pain is starting, they have painkillers, and it impacts their whole body, whole system, right? So do you have some specific herbs so that the people at home can start in the right in the beginning?
First thing you have to see why you are getting knee pain. What is your
Okay,
age? Okay, so
okay,
you're in 40s, you're in 50s, you're 60s. Because in Ayurveda we are very specific of the medicines what we give. We cannot just prescribe. Okay, you take this. If you take this, it will happen. There are four factors. We will go with the knee first. See, I'll just show you the knee first, so you understand why you are getting knee pain. So
yeah,
you have to understand. So this is your knee. So here, if you see, this is the knee joint is one of the strongest joint, and it's a weight bearing joint. Means whole of your weight is falling on the knee. Understand? Okay. So this is I feel pity on this because you're using it so much. You have to maintain it, right?
right,
So
yeah,
people say I'm overweight, so I'm getting pain. Sorry, I
mm,
have people who are very thin also. They have pain, knee pain. Okay.
mm,
So it does depend upon the four factors. One is your nourishment. How much, what is a balanced diet you're doing? A
mm,
good proper, not only for knee joint, for every joints, you should take a proper diet, balanced diet. If you are obese person or you're thin person, we say the here you have vata dosha is more, means
okay,
rukshata means dryness. So what will happen? What I was showing you this. So this is the bone. This is your upper femur bone. This is your down. Because I explain
right,
to my patients when they come with the pain because they should understand how is the structure going on with the pain. Okay. So
yes,
this is the
yeah,
bone and there is a cartilage. This is the
okay,
cartilage. This is it's like a cushioning to your both joints. So this
oh,
will be in between. And this has two bones. This is your leg. So we'll be doing some anatomy and physiology. So you people understand this is the basic knowledge you
yeah,
have to understand.
very true,
So what
very true.
happens? So this is the ligaments. So
Oh,
which will attach the thing, and upon this you'll have muscles, then you have arteries, veins, everything is involved. It is not only
yeah,
the bone here in the knee. Understand?
mm,
People also
correct,
understand. It's only not the
correct,
thing. So there is n number of factors here. Your ligament has to be strong, your cartilage should be also healthy, your muscles should be healthy, you know. So
yes,
for what is
yes,
needed for that, you should do that nourishment. So
oh,
here, this is the moment of the knee happen like this. So when we are walking, no, it walks like this. So
oh,
when you're stretching, you're walking. So this is the ligaments which supports. This is your patella. This is the bone which will be you feeling on your the knee.
me,
Okay. So what happened whenever you're walking? If this cartilage is there, no, if this
mm,
wear and tear, this we call
yes,
as degeneration. Wear and
okay,
tear, degeneration.
right,
So when it can happen above 40, 50, 60, any people it will can start happening if your diet is not good, if you're not your lifestyle is not good. So this n number of factor, what happens? This stays and
mm,
this will get removed, it will thin out. And
oh,
your legs may move here or there, means there will be a friction which is happening. See, if these two bones will start getting friction.
and pain
So
also can start.
pain, yes, obviously, the structure change. This is not their pain, inflammation, swelling, chronic throbbing pain, everything. Then where slowly, when see, as you said, no, your body, you're quoting me that time the
Mm,
pain. When there is
mm,
something happening wrong, the first thing what the thing is, slight pain will start happening.
pain will start.
You will have that pain. Your body will tell, okay, your knees will start telling. Then what you'll do, you'll just apply some move this oil, then you pop up, then you'll be doing the work. You will not see what is happening. Slowly this will, deteriorate. So when you come to the doctor, you have been gone to the second stage.
Oh my God.
And the
Mm,
ligament, see, once this is moving, all the structure is moving. So what will happen? The swelling, everything will happen there. In this, when you'll have the first initial pain, then only look into your knee. What is happening? What
okay.
am I doing wrong?
It's
First thing,
very important
okay,
message that you have provided for the
first,
audience.
where your body is giving you discomfort or pain, in the initial
Mm,
stage, you see why it is paining. What has happened? Look into it. Don't pop up pills or do anything. Just look.
yeah,
Don't. It's what they do. They'll go to the medical. They'll take a painkiller. They'll be quiet. They don't even go to a doctor. Forget about Ayurvedic doctor. They may not go to a general doctor also. He will
mm,
assist your knee. He will see what is wrong. So now I'll tell what is the common things why now knee pain is coming in generally in the woman. I'll tell you. One,
yes,
what is there? The nourishment. You're not eating on time. You're not
very true.
taking care. You're
Yes,
standing hours together in the kitchen. Standing, what
standing
will
in the
happen? This will start paining. You're cooking. What do I suggest for them is sit.
kitchen.
We tell for all my patients what I say. If you're cooking for a long time, half an hour,
Mm,
grab a chair, sit. Do give a rest. So it will go into the rest. Flexion, extension. There should be some movements should happen. Any joint. See, if I'm holding this hand like this,
mm,
1 hour, half an hour, 2 hours, what will happen? It will obviously give
mm.
pain here. You
Yes,
people
it's
try, you can try. So this joint, if I'm seeing no flexion and extension, this is what is
yes,
your knee joint also do. It has no
correct.
other things. It is like this. So what you have to
Yes.
do, you have to do a bit of movements. What do I why I didn't tell exercise first means most of the female means mothers or anybody, we have so much
Correct.
of work we are doing, we are running around. That is only
No, that
exercise for me.
not in the mother saying that we run around, so I think it's more than enough.
What and they say we have so many steps. I have, my phone is duplex, my house is duplex. I go up and down. My thing is happened. Okay,
Exercise
correct.
is
This
going
is
on.
very common. And why do I have and a lot of other one more myths? Okay, we'll go with the myths as you already touched that. One is
Mm,
I'm already running around. I'm climbing. My house is in first floor, second floor. Why should I do
yeah,
exercise?
yeah, very
See, some people is like I'm going to lot of exercises. Why did I
true.
get pain? Ulta,
Mm,
that
that
ulta is
is
also
also
there.
possible. Yeah.
I'm going to yoga. So the first thing I
Yes.
said is you overuse, underuse. Point if I'm doing too much, it
Mm,
will wear and tear. If I'm not doing anything kept like a showcase, also this will give problem. So
even then,
joints are meant for the movement. See, example, you have a door. घर का,
mm,
what do? You put oil.
yes, oil.
Hinges
That's
oil
right.
डालते हैं ना. So same thing, this is your joints, it needs oiling. This is called, there is a synovial fluid inside this is a
Mm,
cartilage. It has to
mm,
lubricate. So you have
mm,
to lubricate internally and externally.
yes.
ठीक है, सिर्फ ऑयल डालने से भी नहीं होता ना. ऑयल डाल के क्या करते हैं हम लोग, वी डू दिस, तो ठीक
Mm.
होता है ना. यू पीपल सी नो, घर पे थोड़ा डाल दो, कोकोनट ऑयल डाल दिया
Correct.
या कोई तेल दिया.
Yes.
तो सेम
And
थिंग,
it
इवन आवर
does.
जॉइंट्स, यस, हिंजेस होते हैं, डालो उसको ठीक करो. तो
Correct.
इनिशियली व्हेन यू स्टार्ट हैविंग नी पेन, तो आप क्या
Mm,
करना है, उसको देखो क्यों हो रहा है, वेदर मेरा डाइट ठीक है नहीं है, whether I'm
mm,
eating properly, where I'm
mm,
lagging fruits and vegetables,
mm.
घी नहीं खा रहे हैं, there is no, बोलते हैं ना that stuff, oil means it is like, we will not say you पकोड़ा तल के खाओ.
Ah,
That is not thing. You have to
yes.
eat, you can add ghee, you can add,
Mm.
take one spoon of
Desi.
coconut oil.
That
Yeah,
means
desi
pure
ghee
ghee.
खाओ,
Yes.
pure
Ah,
ghee खाओ. भिंडी होती है, the food which contains that kapha, means जो
okay.
oily things होता है, it is like that is what I'm saying. ड्रम स्टिक हो गया. ड्रम स्टिक
Okay,
इज ऑल्सो
drums.
वेरी गुड. उसके, हाँ,
Yes.
उसकी जो सब्जी होती है ना, उसके पत्ते होते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड फॉर योर जॉइंट्स, because it
Okay.
contains lot of antioxidants. See, what you have to add is anti-inflammatory and antioxidants जो होते हैं ना
And
अपनी जो खाने पे
fiber?
होते हैं. हाँ,
Fiber?
फाइबर्स, यस, फाइबर्स जैसे कि बीन्स हो गया. अवॉइड इज आलू और बैगन. To be, I don't know
Oh,
vata, because it increases vata. So
correct.
we tell them to avoid such foods which increases vata in body, means vayu जो रुक्षत बोलते हैं ना, रुक्षा, the dryness करता है.
Yes.
So
Yes.
see, diet plays a very very big role in your joints.
Correct.
उसके बाद आती है मेडिसिन, सर्जरी वर्जरी, ट्रीटमेंट, पंचकर्मा, वो बाद में आता है. पहले तो ये दो चीजें आती है, खाना पीना. मैं
Right.
बोलती हूँ वेन एवर पेशेंट कम्स टू मी, फर्स्ट वी डू काउंसलिंग कि आपका खा, क्योंकि हम लोग तो ट्रीटमेंट करके भेज देते हैं, फिर घर जाके आप वही करोगे तो व्हाट इज द यूज. ऑन द फूड थिंग, टाइम से खा लो, यू ईट ऑन टाइम, Then you put oil to your, we do abhyanga करके बोलते हैं हम आयुर्वेदा में, we say applying oils. So there is lot of oils available in the market. Shiraballa, Ashwagandha, Dhanvantram, depending upon like your which doshas हैं, तो डॉक्टर्स देते हैं, रेकमेंड करते हैं. या फिर कोकोनट ऑयल ले लो, सीसम ऑयल ले लो, सिंपल से
Correct.
जो भी
Right.
घर में है. सी दैट
Right.
यू पुट ऑयल्स टू योर hinges. अपना जो
Um,
गॉड ने दिया है ना,
oiling,
उसको थोड़ा
oiling
ऑयल
करो.
करो. हाँ, ऑयलिंग करो. पहले के
Right.
जमाने में तो करते थे ना, हर
करते थे.
संडे
आजकल
संडे तेल डाल के नहलाते थे. टेल देम इज टेक अ ऑयल, उसको रीहीट करो, मीन्स डबल बॉइलिंग में थोड़ा गर्म कर लो, उसको है ना अपने इस पे बस लगाना है, कोई मालिश नहीं करना है.
अच्छा,
दिस
मालिश नहीं
इज
करना है.
वन. नहीं नहीं, मालिश करने से क्या होता है,
Oh.
ये प्रॉब्लम होता है, आप इंजरी कर सकते हो. बच्चों को लिए भी हम वो लोग बोलते हैं कि जब तक आप एक अच्छे थेरेपिस्ट हो या फिर यू आर लर्न हाउ टू डू मालिश, किसी पे भी
मालिश.
मालिश नहीं करना. यू शुड नॉट डू मसाज. I
अच्छा.
don't recommend. I'm telling application of oil, not massaging the joints.
This is a very
Ah,
important aspect. You.
I've seen people who have done massage, got the problem and come back to us.
Oh my God.
जैसे कि देखो,
Oh.
अभी आप, मुझे पेन नहीं है, मैं गई, मैंने मसाज करा लिया, ओके, बट आई हैव अ पेन हियर, तो देर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग हैपनिंग हियर. तो उसको बोलना चाहिए कि मसाज पे आप जा रहे हो, थेरेपिस्ट किसी के पास जा रहे हो, उसको क्या पता, वो तो लेके दबाएगा, करेगा ट्रीटमेंट. तो यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल. So what you have to do is only application. It's just an application of oil which you are doing on your joints, knee joints.
Right.
एनी
Right.
जॉइंट्स अप्लाई करो. अब आप देखते हो ओल्ड एज होते हैं, मीन्स लोग होते हैं सीनियर जो सिटीजन हैं, वो कर लेते हैं, तेल लेके लगा लेते हैं, मेरे मम्मी भी लगा लेते हैं, अच्छा लग रहा है, तेल लगा लो, उसके बाद उसका नमक का सेका दे सकते हो. सो वी डू अ पोटली ऑफ नमक का सेका ले लो, जो मोटा.
Rock salt. What do you call it?
रॉक सॉल्ट. रॉक सॉल्ट में थोड़ी हल्दी डाल ली, उसको थोड़ा
अच्छा.
गर्म कर लिया, एक कॉटन के पट इसमें रख लिया और पोटली बना ली. तेल डालने के बाद ही करना है. यू शुड नॉट डू विदाउट ऑयल, बिकॉज इट इज अगेन उसको ड्राइनेस कर देता है.
Oh.
सो यू हैव
Right.
टू अप्लाई ऑयल. अच्छा सा तेल डाला, फिर उसके बाद पेन, जिसको ज्यादा पेन है, इट इज नॉट अ रेगुलर बेसिस कि मैं रोज पोटली कर रही हूँ.
अच्छा.
आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माइल्ड पेन शुरू हो गया, आपको दर्द
Right.
शुरू हो गया, हाँ,
Right.
उसके लिए, क्योंकि नमक जो होता है ना, दैट वो पेन खींचता है. You know, salt has the absorption of absorbing pains. Fine.
Yeah.
So
Right.
now you have to first know whether you have an injury. So
Oh.
this is not for injury के लिए, हाँ मैम ने बोला डाल लिया, नहीं. If you have fallen, आपने स्पोर्ट्स खेला, आपका पेन शुरू हो गया कहीं पे भी, then I recommend you to consult a doctor. देख लो, क्योंकि लिगामेंट इंजुरी होती है, उसमें तो पेन में तेल डालोगे, वो डालोगे, तो इंजुरी ज्यादा हो जाती है. फ्रैक्चर है, कुछ भी है, सो वी नॉट रेकमेंड इट. तो हम टॉकिंग अबाउट जनरल नी पेन, जिसको अभी दर्द शुरू हुआ बिकॉज यू आर ओवर यूजिंग, नॉट यूजिंग इट.
Oh.
जनरली जो घर में आपको मैनेज करना है, आप हो या मैं हो, अगर
Good.
आपका मजबूती से आपको रखना है आपके जॉइंट्स,
Right.
उनके लिए.
So we have got to maintain the. Should be once in a month or once in a week or so.
अरे डेली करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा है. ऑयल
अच्छा.
एप्लीकेशन नहीं हो रहा है तो ऑल्टरनेट कर लो, या फिर वीकली वंस कर लो.
Okay.
It is like you're lubricating it. अभी बस fast, you are very busy, so you don't have time. But people who come for knee pains for us, भी तो उनके लिए हम लोग तो लिख के देते हैं, you have to do before bath, apply the oil and take a shower.
People are ignorant about this aspect. That when to, Okay.
You have to just
That's
apply the oil. Just apply the oil, lubricate करके रखो उसको. And the thing I was talking, if you're standing in the kitchen for very long time, grab a
Right.
chair and sit.
Right.
अभी मैं
Sit.
उसके बारे में अभी यूट्यूब में भी करने भी वाली हूँ कि लोग प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, डोंट
Okay.
गिव दैट प्रेशर सो मच. ऑलरेडी पेन में हो, खड़े खड़े और ज्यादा पेन कर लोगे. जस्ट ब्रेक लो, बैठ जाओ, फ्लेक्शन एक्सटेंशन हो जाएगा, थोड़ा पैर को ऐसे ऐसे कर लो, नी को थोड़ा सर्कुलेशन हो जाएगा.
Known to each one of us, right? And what am I going to tell about others? I also have done lots of time this thing. Complete the work, then I'll sit. Let
आज अभी
complete the
सब्जी बना
work.
लिया, अभी रोटी बना लेती हूँ, बाद में सीट. अभी why I'm stressing is now lot of our patients are coming, no, festival time होता है, इतना
Yes.
काम होता है, so they don't
Busy.
think what is happening and they get so stressed out, फिर पूरा दर्द, बॉडी में दर्द. So this is small things. These are small things you change in your daily routine will avoid your big pains.
Very true.
So वेयर एंड टेयर हो रहा है, सी द कार्टिलेज से आपको हो रहा होगा, इंटरनली इट इज हैपनिंग, बट एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स तो आप स्टॉप कर सकते हो ना। 100% दर्द हो रहा है, आप 50 कर लो ना, 50 बाद में डॉक्टर देख लेगा। स्मॉल थिंग्स, चेंजेस इन लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशन, इसीलिए तो बोल रहे हैं वाई द फॉरेन पीपल या हम लोग जो हमारे पहले ही बोल चुके हैं, पहले ना वी यूज्ड टू सिट लाइक दिस, जैसे कि पद्मासन में हम लोग बैठे थे, आई एम सिटिंग लाइक दिस। आई एम द पीपल, आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी पीपल कैन सिट लाइक दिस फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम।
No,
अभी
no,
10 आधा
no.
घंटा 1 hour आई एम सिटिंग लाइक दिस, यू हैव टू
Yes.
सिट एट लाइक दिस।
So you have given me an idea. I'm going to also sit like this.
I'm talking with the people who are in 20s and 30s जिसका नी पेन स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है अभी। इफ यू आर सिटिंग मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम पद्मासन में आप ऐसे बैठोगे ना, यू आर अवॉइडिंग नी पेन्स, बिकॉज क्या होता है ना, आई टेल यू वन थिंग आई हैव सीन इन माय पेशेंट्स, ये दर्द हुआ मेरा नी, ये हाथ सोच लो, अभी हाथ पे जाए, ये नहीं सोच, दर्द हुआ, इसको दर्द हो रहा है इसलिए मैं हिलाऊंगी नहीं, इसको यूज ही नहीं करूंगी, अरे दर्द होएगा। सो व्हाट यू डू इज यू विल नॉट यूज दैट पार्ट, ये
Yeah.
नी में दर्द हो रहा है, आई विल नॉट यूज इट, आई यूज दिस।
Protecting that part.
हाँ, प्रोटेक्ट होने के चक्कर में क्या होता है ना, यू शिफ्ट टू द अदर वन, ये बेचारा जो अच्छा खासा था अब उसका पूरा बॉडी वेट उस पे पड़ रहा है, वो भी दर्द हो गया।
Yeah.
सो यू आर कॉजिंग बोथ इनिशियली जो पेन स्टार्ट होता है, बिकॉज आई हैव लॉट ऑफ पेशेंट्स, जो हम लोग बात करते हैं ना, से आई वांट टू नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एट होम, बैक
Correct.
होम, हाउ यू आर टेकिंग केयर। सो क्या बोलते हैं, नी दर्द होते ही वी गेट ओवर प्रोटेक्टेड, वी डोंट यूज, वी डोंट फ्लेक्स, वी डोंट कुछ नहीं करते, उसको ऐसे रख लेते हैं स्ट्रेट, मीन्स उसको ऐसा फोल्ड भी नहीं करते, क्योंकि दर्द हो रहा है मुझे। मूवमेंट होता है तो सर्कुलेशन होता है, ये सिंपल साइंस सिखा रही हूं मैं, हो रहा है तो सर्कुलेशन हो रहा है, दर्द होने दो, हो रहा है उसको मूवमेंट में रखो, गो कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर, अंडरस्टैंड क्या इंजुरी हुआ है, कार्टिलेज हुआ है या फिर ओवर यूज से हो रहा है, क्योंकि मैं एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रही हूँ उससे हो रहा है, अरे अपना कॉस्ट तो फाइंड आउट करो। आप बताए व्हेन पीपल कम टू द डॉक्टर इज थर्ड स्टेज पे, जहां सर्जरी को हो जाता है, पूरा वेयर एंड टेयर हो गया, पैर ऐसे घूम गया, डिसीज अर्ली डिटेक्शन कर लो तो आप बचा लोगे अपना, नी होने दो कुछ भी। अभी मैं अभी फाइल उठा लू ना मेरे पास, आई टेल यू, आई उठा के मैं देखू कब से दर्द है, 4 साल से, 5 साल से, 8 साल से। आई सीरियसली क्या कर रहे थे, नहीं थोड़ा थोड़ा दर्द था, मेंटेन कर लिया, ये करके वो करके, और इतना सारे लाके रहते हैं कि ये खाया वो क्या, मैंने कहा किया क्या, नो लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशन, कभी जैसे कि तेल नहीं डाला, कुछ देखा ही नहीं कि वाई आई गॉट इट, फिर जाके एक्सरे एमआरआई कराए, उसको पूरा खराब करके देन यू कम टू डॉक्टर्स एंड टेल बचा लो।
Very true. What can the doctor do at the last stage? What type of exercises and physical activities, like low impact exercises you mentioned?
हाँ, see that is what I'm saying, you as person, if I'm in 40s, I'm in 30s or whatever it is, और 50s 60s, irrespective of कितना आप घर का काम कर रहे हो, it doesn't matter to the need, it matters when consciously you're sitting and you're doing some light exercises,
Walking
जैसे कि
is
very
walking-
much needed, walking is very much needed whether you have pain or you don't have pain, पेन में भी आपको वॉक करना पड़ता है, धीरे 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 धीरे, यू हैव टू सी सो मेनी स्टेप्स। हाँ, योगा में भी यू हैव टू, यू नो, इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी प्रैक्टिसिंग योगा, आप अपने नी पेन है करके आपके जो थेरेपिस्ट है उनको बोल सकते हैं, तो दे विल अवॉइड सम योगा पोस्चर्स विच इज नॉट गुड फॉर नी का। देखो जिम में जा रहे हो, आप थ्रेडमिल कर रहे हो, थ्रेडमिल में क्या होता है ना, व्हाट आई से इज इफ यू हैव नी पेन यू डोंट नो हाउ टू बैलेंस, कितना स्पीड जा रहा है, जो आप एक सरफेस पे रोड पे वॉक कर रहे हो वो अपने कंट्रोल में होता है, so you cannot do incline very speed, so maintain that, and every time you see that 10 minutes or 15 minutes you dedicate for your walking, climbing stairs, ups and down jog, slowly breathe in, breathe out, and take one by one steps, one by one steps, one by steps. See, proper keeping your leg is very important, one by one, and very very important, Anita ji, I tell all the audience, please put pura weight dono knee pe. I've seen people go like this, like this. आप भी खड़के चल रहे हो तो आप देखो अदर यू आर डूइंग प्रॉपर, आपके शूज से भी पता चलता है, कभी कभी किसी का शूज एक जगह से ऐसे हुआ ऐसे, सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड आपका वॉकिंग भी यू नो ठीक नहीं है, इट्स रॉन्ग, मीन्स यू हैव टू पुट बोथ द प्रेशर ऑन द बोथ द लेग्स, आप खड़ भी रहे हो, इफ यू आर स्टैंडिंग फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग, ऐसे नहीं खड़ना, एक नी के ऊपर किया एक नी पे किया। सी आप हम लोग तब से, बट दिस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टैंडिंग, व्हाट अबाउट सिटिंग, आज तो आईटी पीपल एवरीबॉडी आर सिटिंग फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम,
Yeah, especially the younger generation is sitting these days just in front of the
Hmm.
laptops and computers.
So as a commonly I will tell you why sitting is causing pain. मैं तो यूज ही नहीं करी हूँ फिर भी क्यों दर्द हो रहा है.
Hmm.
Just for long time. See, so much of stretching happening.
So much
कितना
of
उसको दर्द हो रहा है ना? So much. So you need to have that movements. आप बैठे हो तो उसको ठीक करो. सी स्ट्रेट हो जाओ. ये घूम के
पीछे
आके
legs
बैठ जाओ.
की.
हाँ, स्ट्रेच करो अपने लेग्स को, फ्लेक्सटेन एक्सटेंशन करो. इफ यू आर सिटिंग फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, आई टेल इज गेट अप अपने बेड से एक राउंड मार के आके बैठ गए. एंड
Hmm.
चेयर्स में अगर इफ यू कैन सी पद्मासना, थोड़ी देर पद्मासन में बैठ जाओ, कभी ऐसे बैठो. चेंज योर नी पोजिशंस. मसल्स, लिगामेंट सब मूवमेंट में रहेगा. सी दिस इज ऑल व्हाट आई टेल माय पेशेंट्स आफ्टर ट्रीटमेंट व्हिच आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू. बहुत जरूरी
Yeah,
होता है.
very true.
बहुत
Very
जरूरी
true.
होता है बिकॉज सारा
Right.
दिन बैठे होते हैं, कुछ नहीं करते तो देन अप्लाई लिटिल ऑयल या फिर थोड़ा सा ऐसा मसाज भी कर लिया ना. यू कैन डू जस्ट लिटिल. सो यू हैव
Oh.
टू कीप इट लाइव.
Before leaving, I would like to ask a very important question that do you think that Ayurveda is safe for usage if
Yeah, yeah, why
we would,
not?
yeah.
See, Ayurveda is safe unless
How
or
safe
until
is
you are not consulting a doctor. आप कंसल्ट नहीं करोगे, आप खुद एक डॉक्टर बन के कुछ भी ले रहे हो, वो ले रहे हो, ये ले रहे हो. So no, nothing is safer if you are not consulting a specialist.
Oh,
See, we
right.
have
Obviously.
drugs like अश्वगंधा, ब्रह्मी. ये भी जो होता है ना, हम लोग जो घर पे यूज कर सकते हैं. बट एक बार देखना पड़ता है कि how long you are been
No.
using, whether you know we are taking calcium supplements. अभी नी
Hmm.
पेन है, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट आई हैव टू टेक कैल्शियम सप्लीमेंट. मेरा नी ठीक हो, मेरा बोन्स ठीक होंगे बिकॉज आई मे बी हैविंग विटामिन का डिफिशियंसी होएगा.
Yes,
बिकॉज
you're
देयर इज
already.
लॉट ऑफ अदर फैक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व.
I think the audience may have, benefited out of all the advices and the golden nuggets which Dr. Seema Malik has mentioned here. So I would request all the audience, और मैं audience से ये request करूंगी कि जो भी आपकी पर्सनल इश्यूज हैं अगर आप इस वक्त नहीं शेयर करना पसंद कर रहे हैं, so it's better that you write it down on the Facebook comment section, or in case we will be providing Dr. Seema's links below so that you can have a direct contact with her also, and you can have one-to-one consulting sessions. We want to ask more and more questions to Dr. Seema, but due to the shortage of time, we would like to disperse today, and we will be meeting yet another in our one-to-one session together on the Facebook Live again, and you will see this episode in both Facebook as well as in YouTube and Instagram. So it's my privilege to her precious time to be there with you and to solve all your issues. And if your issues are not solved, we are always present there, and the links are given below. And please join Dr. Seema and remove all your pains, knee pain, and your spinal pains.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.